Hi friends, modern society is changing at a rapid rate, and these changes have both material and philosophical influences on the society as a whole. Family is the foundation of any society, and family is the one that's most affected by these changes. There are various kinds of stresses and confusions in a family due to the rapid changes in the modern life. The old assumptions are being replaced. The old beliefs are being changed. Previously, only men used to be the bread earner of the family. But now, both men and women have started moving out of their home for earning finances for keeping their family running. The major change that have occurred at a psychological level is that a person's self-worth is rated by his income earned. A person who is earning something feels that he is having high self-worth. A person who is not at all earning finances but rather chooses to stay home and look after the kids feels like having a low self-worth, especially for the working parents. Both needs to juggle for raising the kids and earning the bread. Their roles are not now specific. They need to play different kinds of role at different times. This results in different kinds of stress and frustrations. They are often confused when they are not able to properly play their role whatever time it's needed. The female of the house that chooses to stay home and look after the home and kids feel downgraded for not able to earn wages or the income to keep the home running. The system of equality between men and women have also created stress in certain women who needs to look after their kids and are not able to work anymore. The women who chooses to stay home and look after child upbringing often have a feeling of uselessness and feels that life is passing them by. So they often try to compensate this feeling by over intense involvement in the kids upbringing. Some females who are homemakers often play this role of child upbringing in a half-hearted and absent-minded way. The second great impact of this modern society is that when an individual has the freedom to choose his or her mate and enter into a marital relationship, and they also know that divorce could end the relationship at will, every day in a married day can become, shall we stay in it or shall we get out of it day? When people enters a relationship with an impermanent attitude, they are so busy to always determine their degree of happiness that they hardly have time to enjoy the relationship with each other. They always try to judge whether they are living the life they want, whether they are able to do what they want, or whether they are able to get all what they had wished before marriage. This creates disharmony in a family and always a dysfunctional parenting. In the modern society, people fail to find a safer place in the world where they can have a feeling of self-worth and feeling of self-esteem. In spite of all the technological development in the modern world, there is a trend of sense of aloneness and confusion of personal identity. There is always an urge for feeling of acceptance in the society. When an individual doesn't find a safer place in the world, he often turns back to his family. The disillusioned men and women consider the family as the one where they can get all they need and where he can develop a sure sense of existence. So he often turns back to his family to compensate for the feeling of lovableness and self-worth. Hence, house building and child rearing is in boom and will continue to boom. Child growth and development validates a person's self-worth. An individual feels that he is having a self-worth by his child's growth and development, and his child's attitude towards a parent can make or break his self-esteem. Now everything is so intertwined between each other, but the basic thing is that how the person develops his own sense of existence. Whatever changes that occurs in a society, the way in which an individual handles his beliefs, his assumptions and his thoughts can determine his life and the society's life as a whole. That's all for today, friends. Thank you and have a good day.